Can quercetin strengthen my immune system? Quercetin is a powerful antioxidant and can be naturally found in many superfoods. In recent years, scientists have begun to recognize just how beneficial quercetin really is. Studies show that quercetin can help fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and help boost the immune system. Quercetin is indeed a potent antioxidant that is naturally present in various superfoods. Its benefits in combating free radicals, reducing inflammation, and supporting the immune system have garnered increasing attention from scientists in recent years. Quercetin's antioxidant properties enable it to neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to various health issues. By scavenging these free radicals, quercetin helps protect cells from oxidative stress and associated damage. Moreover, quercetin exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous chronic diseases, so quercetin's ability to reduce inflammation may have broad implications for health and wellness. Additionally, research suggests that quercetin may play a role in boosting the immune system. It can modulate immune cell activity and influence the production of cytokines, which are signaling molecules involved in the immune response. By supporting immune function, quercetin may help the body defend against pathogens and maintain overall health. Overall, the cumulative evidence suggests that incorporating quercetin-rich foods into the diet can be beneficial for health. Foods such as apples, onions, berries, citrus fruits, and leafy greens are good natural sources of quercetin. However, it's important to note that while studies have shown promising results, more research is needed to fully understand quercetin's mechanisms of action and its potential therapeutic applications. Please express your support by giving a thumbs up and subscribing. For additional information, click the link located around or below this video. I appreciate your support, and wish you a fantastic day.